checking my OBS Studio settings. That output rescale is disabled. It looks like it's no. I mean that wouldn't do it anyways. I think so. I'm streaming at 8 megabits per second to Twitch, and Twitch is like, oh, you can only stream at 6 megabits per second. And sometimes they don't give you source quality. Sometimes they do. Okay, so the game. This is a game. I made a game. This is a game. You jump on the squares, and I'm making a map converter for source engine maps, Valve map file format. Someone else already made a decoder, so I'm extending it with the maps that I want to decode. And I'm getting embroiled in details about it, which is quite fun. I am having a good time. I'm working on making it so that entities from different games can be parsed. Ooh, miss. By the library. And I have stumbled upon a very good code architecture where you can have multiple game entities enabled at the same time, and you just choose which one you want to parse, and it monomorphizes based on generics. And so it's very easy to use. The design is very human. Previously, all my ideas, you had to disable entities. You could only have one entities enabled at a time, but now you can have multiple. Why? Yay! What? That wasn't enough speed. You're kidding. I'm flying. Now I'm really flying. Okay, so that's the game, and these are the maps, and then there's entities. It's all. Have you completely figured out the jump and air acceleration in the game? I have configuration for that, so you can configure it however you like. Reminds me of CSGO surfing. It is exactly that. You can also surf. You can try the demo if you want. So right here I have a demo from a couple of weeks ago, and it says how to use it and like what it can currently do. And then it's a executable file. It's a standalone game with no game engine. So it just runs. You just run it and it runs. I love it. Okay. Okay, so back to what I was doing. I did this and it's done, except now it's different. I need to do more git. Oh, this. Okay, so I want to rebase this onto this. I should be able to just do it with challenges. So we want this, but we want this guy to exist. Yeah, and that's it. Wow. Okay. But this won't compile now because it needs the bool. So if I go like this, it's like, no. Oh, it. What? I think it's trolling me. Let's see. So I need this up at top. Unused import. That's, you're trolling. What? Why is there error? Oh, is at the bottom as well? Oh, that's why. Okay, I see. Okay, that's why. Why is it not do it? Okay. This is like stuff. So good. Yes. Yes. Ah, it's gonna kill me, isn't it? Okay. Resolve. So it's all at the bottom. Hello? Oh my god. What? 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 So it's like, there's a conflict. Oh, never mind. There's a conflict. Oh, never mind. What? Yeah, okay. Cool. Okay, so now I have this TF2 branch. That's neat. Work more on my Steam page. The this guy should be like exactly like this. Yeah. Wait. Oh, it's wrong. Okay, cool. Nice. Good one. Okay, so this actually, yeah. No, that's the thing. That's irritating. Okay, ooh, don't need it. It's there. Fix up. Boom, 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 boom. And then this guy should be the same as that guy. And so I can take this branch and hard reset. And then, yep. And then now CSS, I can also rebase. It should be simple though, but then I fix it up. Yep. Okay, so then this guy, we're gonna not have that function. Oh, I can do it. Yeah. So like, get rid of it. Super. And then this guy has this. We can use that. Let's get rid of this. Yeah. Okay. And then I also want to put this in the same spot. Yeah. What? What? Oh, it's separate. Whoa. Okay, use common area for stuff. I don't know if negated is like that only. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I guess I'll just hold off. Can you like do it? Okay. So, ooh, this is just stuff. It should just be stuff. So we should be able to go like, and then that's it. Okay. So now simple. Simple, 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 simple. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay, so so this is common now. So this is a common uh, commit on both the TF2 and CSS branch. Ooh, okay. Lots of Git work going on. I've rebased this on number 10 as a foundation for supporting multiple games. So now, when you do it, yeah, yeah. Well, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. This is very nice. So now, what is going on? Is that these are now compatible and can be both merged easily. And you can also enable them simultaneously. So you can read a TF2 map and then go like, okay, I know this is a TF2 map, so I'm going to parse it using the TF2 entities. And then you can read a CSS map and go, okay, I know this is a CSS map. I'm going to parse the entities using the CSS entities. And they can coexist instead of like blocking each other, and you have to only have one enabled or something, and then like load multiple versions and blah, big headache. So I'm really happy that I stumbled upon this because it makes a lot of sense. Okay, so I am going to try generating TF2 entities with my Codegen inator. So is that it? Did I do it? TF2, that's it. I did it. That's it. We can just do it again though. Like it'll be shrimple. And it should be the same code, right? Because like I didn't make much changes. I went like no, it's this one, right? I can just do it again. So this is just garbage. Yeah. So then we can go like build it again. And then we can go like, ooh, do it again. Yeah. And that generates it in the... So nice. It took 4 seconds to decode all of these maps. How big is this? Wait, 8 gigabytes. Oh my god, it's so fast. Bruh. Okay. Okay, so I just readed all the entities. Read. So I'm going to take the code that I just generated, paste it, and then baste it. And it should do it. Format. It should go nice. Okay, it's being cringe. please. Faster. Okay. Shut up. Do it. Go. Oh my god, that was so damn slow. Okay. So now we can see the difference. Item health kit full. Okay, so it's like naming it differently. Env Spark, Env Soundscape. Entities Codegen. TF2. Entities Codegen. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they have very different names. I mean, let's send it, see what it does. So these are not the same anymore. Hold on. I'm gonna do this in the other order. Disable TF2 props. And then this. Do it. Okay. So, oh no. Okay. So much generated code. Okay. Holy. The TF2 is insane. TF logic. Oh my god, bruh. Angles, ambient generic. It didn't have the angles? Oh my god. Oh. Wait. Health. Area portal. It is just picking random entities here. Yeah. Holy. It's not as high quality as the... oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a massacre. It's not as high quality as the entities that were there before, but why is this why is it so different? Angles. Logic relay has angles. Effects on spawn, on trigger. So that one is optional, and this one is non-optional because it was always there. It's so interesting. Spawn flags option. Wow. Code generation. Yeah. Well, let's go try it on this one as well. So I just generated this stuff for TF2, but what I also have is a folder of the bitmap. So I can pass that. Entities Codegen. Hello. Entities Codegen, and then no, it's good. All the bitmap maps, and it should do the same thing. And then now we have Codegen for CSS. And then we go paste it in, and it should generate a bunch of extra entities. Oh boy. What the hell happened? Okay, it's doing the stupid thing again. I don't know why it's doing the stupid thing. Okay, just go away, okay? Just don't. Just don't. I can do it like this, okay? Just don't. Oh, it didn't work. Okay. Oh, it did. Oh, it's somewhere else. Okay. Open that one. Surely it worked. Cool, it did work. That was so much faster. Okay, I don't have to wait 2 minutes for it to format. Okay. No changes. Yeah, right. Oh. Format. Wanted that different. Okay. Oh, goodness gravy. Okay, so this is now all entities and not just detail controller. What? Why is it deleted? What? 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 Shouldn't it not be different? What? Why is it deleting some? It should have the same stuff. This should be like almost the same, but with a bunch of. Why is it deleting any? It shouldn't delete any. That doesn't make any sense. It was reject. I don't understand. Why is it doing this? Did I copy it wrong? Like what? Info player terrorist. Okay, it looks like I did it wrong somehow. How did I do it wrong? It should write to this file, right? That's what it does. BSP entities. Write Codegen RS. bhop BSP. Okay, what if I delete it? It's not like what? It's so fast. Okay, did I think I pasted the wrong entities, but I don't know how. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this makes way more sense. I have no idea how I did that wrong, but it's not deleting any entities. It's only adding entities that used to parse as TF2 entities, but now they parse as whatever else. So let's take a look at the differences. Codegen entities from scratch. Okay, so this is something that goes here, I believe. Okay, great. Okay, this is great. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So ambient generic. Who did this? So this is a something or other. How big is this struct? 80. And if we look at the TF2 version, ambient generic, it's 160. What the scallop? It's crazy. So like the CSS version, what the, is it just like totally different? Spin up, spin down. Let's side by side. Okay, so what did he say? Let's get it there. Okay, cool. Angles. C spin up. So this is the same. Fading seconds. It's it's always 0. So that's almost certainly wrong. Oh, health F32. Really? So I probably want to search for health and damage. Bool. Volume pitch. It's unused in all TF2 maps. Things that I should probably have like a... I don't know. I don't know what I should do. Message optional. Message non-optional. Always exists. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's so different. So crazy. 6,000 lines. Cool. Um, um, Very nice. Very nice. I'm feeling good about my work so far. Screw you, GitHub. Get out of here. Stupid GitHub. Um Should I do this? I can just put this in here. I can just go like look. Yeah. So I think this can just be a comment on this one. Check out what my Codegen does for with all TF2 maps as input. Yeah, so I can just go like, yeah, I don't need to like do this. I want to go here, but this isn't a link. Cool, found it. God damn it. Should I directly link the diff? 7,000. Nah. GitHub is struggling. I think I'll do the branch. All right, it's just a comment. You could actually implement the variant downstream. The like master entity that has like each game as a variant, and then it's an untagged. It would like be ambiguous, but like, oh well, oh well. What do the brush things look like? I'm gonna not do this. It doesn't need to be a pull request. I mean, that's kind of the goal, is to like generate the entities, but I think I should also say included an explanation for each comment. The comment message. Comments. No way. Sick. Sick. I'm kind of overloading this guy's repository. I think I need the. Bleh. Right, I could pull this. Six, six, six. I could pull that. Move entities to folder with feature flag with an L. So bool from int is tweaked and put in a central location so it can be used by multiple hello, Governor. G'day. I'm making big pull requests. I'm making big changes. I'm like refactoring this guy's library. I hope that he can give me feedback. Used by multiple entity implementations. Game entity implementations. The mod typed. The entities are moved into a game specific file without any changes. I think that this might be better as like base or something. Cause like TF2. Basic. Custom. It's basic. I don't know. Yeah. Cause like I wanted Codegen the TF2 separately. Oh my. So I can go like, rename this basic. And then how many instances of TF2 are there in here? Key of Q. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let's H this basic and do them all, and then don't do this one, and then save it. Yeah. Prop. Y'all good. Okay, so okay, I need to no, that's all good, isn't it? Prop central bool from int. Yeah, no, this is all in here, right? All in here. Oh, I'm making great progress. Basic. Rename to basic. Bow. 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 Oh. No. Bow. Bow. Okay, 5? Why is there 5? Because there's 5 in here. Okay. So I think this is like, ooh, yeah, yeah, and then yeah. Basic is not very descriptive, but it's I think it's probably like not anything in particular. It's just sort of some entities. So I don't know. Is it rude to call it basic? Because this was probably a lot of work. Look at all those entities. I mean, I did more work, so it wasn't. I mean, probably. Yeah, no, it probably was a lot of work. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. But then with this one, you can like do it different because so I can have Codegen TF2 entities and the original as well because like I have this like multi-game support cool thing. It's so cool. Yeah. So that's fine. That's it's tight. Okay. So this I actually want pulled. So depends on number 10. Whew. Are they all my pull requests? Hee hee. Why is this X? Oh, is it because it's Semver? Yeah. Well, you bet it is. How did this escape the multi-line format? Like this is same, isn't it? Hall. It's only this line that's changed. Hall. Cool, cool, cool. Oh my god. So that's some stuff. I did some stuff. Okay, so all of my open pull requests I actually want pulled. And then I have a draft pull request of like what the future holds. Good. So sorry. I wonder if this can rebase. I'm curious. Rebase. No. Do that one. All conflicts resolved. Do that one. Resolve that one. Resolve that one. Huh? Basic. I don't think I can do this. Can I? No. Can I do this? No. Okay, whatever. It'll just fail, but like whatever. Alright, we're trilling. She F2. Huh? Okay, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, so this is like copy basic entities. Oh, I see. It dropped it. Okay, I see. So we want like that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. What am I doing? Okay, so we want to go to here and go like nah, and then disable prop. Move this down. Yeah. It should be the same, except it has also. Oh. Yeah, so like the TF2 part is the same. Why is there more deletions? Oh, does it remove the yeah, the spaces between. So that's kind of a count of how many entities there are. What it's too bad that it doesn't like match them up very well. Every time it's the same struct name, I want it to diff on that. But a lot of the struct names are different, so. Oh. Okay. So now, basically, I pull all of these on my fork, change my code to use the fork, and call it a day. Because like it's all wrong. and it shouldn't be pulled like this is all wrong and shouldn't be pulled into master. But I need something so I can parse the CSS maps. And continue development. Amazing. I'm amazing. I love Git. I love GitHub. I like the idea of someone looking at my code and going, "That's bad. You should do it like this instead." And I go like, "Oh, you're right. That's a good idea." Or I go like, "No, because this." It's like both of those paths are good. Cuz like either I learn or they learn. It's so good. I love learning. Or everybody fights and we kill each other. Death because of code. Usually that doesn't happen though. Quaternion. Wow. Parse. Sheesh. V nice. It's only insertions? No, it's a little bit of changes. I see. You get some optional. Wait, why? Because they were parsing failures. Yeah, it makes sense. Option U8. Let's go. Ooh. Render amount. Render amount is so funny. Render amount. How much do you want to render? 5. I would like 5 render, please. Bruh. Funk, bruh. 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 So spawn flags is a UU32 always, but there should be some like, let's see, Valve spawn flags. Maybe it'll find it directly. Flags, spawn flags. Away. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Is per game. Source SDK. Defined in each entity. Oh. Boy, okay. Yeah. So now what I do? What? Fork. Fork. Okay, let me review the license. It should be, okay, it's MIT only. Okay. So, I think I'll keep it, I don't know. How much of the code? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I guess I can go like DU. Disk usage in a human readable format. SRC. 360 kilobytes. Killing bytes. Okay. Yeah. So then I'm going to merge a bunch of stuff and make a crate and then depend on it. Ah! Custom. Okay, so we're gonna go to here and go like, what is that? TAS rebase again. Didn't he? Oh my god! Didn't he switch these already? Now it's going for it's migrating its way down the function. Okay, think. Buh. I need to click the button. There we go. Yep. Boom. And then now I add it here. It's called fork. Ooh. All right, and then I go here, and I go like fork master or something. Master 2. I want all that crap. Fork merge. Okay, so then basically I just merge all of my pull requests. What if I merged all my pull requests? Wouldn't that be cool? Okay, so I think I can just go in order. So I think I want it like this. And then next we do yeah, so this was my attempt to like fix this, and it's like bad and wrong. I should delete it actually. This is not working. So that's one merged pull requests. So that's this one? No. Yes. So then from stir, I do believe it's this one. So we can merge, merp, and then entity changes is here, merge, and then TF2, we want this one, merge, and then CSS, and that's it. Merge. Oh, yeah, I see. Okay. So we want this and CSS for my version. For my version, I want. Well, actually, we could not have it. Definitely, it's gonna get cluttered though. So, do I want the TF2? No, I don't really care. All right, so we go like boom, boom. Look at how nice that is. Merge. Okay, and then I've made a huge mess, but like I need this stuff to exist so I can work, and it's not going upstream anytime soon. So fork. Okay, and then now I'm gonna say the version is 7 Codegen. RC1? No, it's just Codegen 1, I guess. And then, really? All right, cargo build. Cargo. Feature default includes, which is near the dependency or another feature. Oh, I lied. Okay. Okay, we want to go back to this then. And then merge it again, but try harder. Merge. Okay, so boom. Okay, so we need that one, but we also need this, which I forgot. Do I want both of these enabled? I think I do, because like otherwise it'll be stupid and cringe. Okay, boom. Resolve. Boom. Yeah. And then I can go like 7 Codegen 1. I mean, it's already on like 2. It doesn't matter. Just do it. Mint spooky fork. Merge all my stuff, basically. All right, boom. So that is going here. It doesn't need to go there. I could just put it on GitHub. I'm not trying to hide this. I don't need a separate repository. It's fine. I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, so then I can go like publish registry strafesnet. And then I have my own custom version to depend on instead of depending on a folder. Let's go. And then we can go over here. And we can use the forks. Oh my goodness gravy. It's such a goddamn mess. Oh yeah, I'm working on this as well. Oh my god. The branches! The branches! Okay, so what is this? That's BSP branch. What is this? So this is like, this is what happens when I don't use a fork. It's like, oh, but just load it from the files. Instead of like the dependency, it's a dependency. Okay, so I'm gonna rebase this on here. Yes, and then I'm gonna go like, yeah, this. So yeah, so yeah. So who did this? Where is this? What is this? This is not the one. Okay, we're gonna open the strafe. Strafe. Yeah, and then that one, no. That one right here, it's 7. We got it. I gotta get it. Gotta do it. What did I say? I said it's version equals 0.7 Codegen 1 this one registry. Give me that. And then now I'm using a different version. And then none of the code compiles. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's trolling. Why does it keep trolling me with that? That's annoying. Okay, so could not find entity. So entity parse So I need to like parse it. If it's a brush, do this. If you're how do I else without tabbing in? Oh no. Yes. How do I make that not suck? So I have to do like parse as A or B. But like, what if I just do it anyways? So I could say like this, raw int parse int VBSP basic entity, and that's it. And then basic, boom, and then that's like this, and then this is not real. And then we go like, okay, well then what if it's an other something else, somebody else does this? Okay, you get to be basic entity. And then we go like, just the exact same code. Exactly the same code. Boom! And then this, it's not basic, but I don't care. Get it, grab it, send it. He thought about it. Do I not have a, okay. Okay, why is it tabbed? Okay, this is not a basic entity. This is somebody else's entity. This is CSS entity. No way. CSS entity. That's it. Except CSS. No. Okay, it's got to be info player terrorist. Is it counter terrorist? Okay. Info. I think it's that one. And then boom. Boom. Fork. Let's go. Okay, so then what about, okay, excellent. So now I'm using my fork, sticking it in the socket. This is like a wrong comment now. Yeah, so this is like, oh, I want to use the fork. Oh my God, what, why? Uh-oh. Is this going to fail to compile? Let's see. Apparently not. So who is using this one? Map tool. Oh, get out of here. Okay, so that's why it didn't fail to compile. Look at it go. Okay. So this is... do I want to use this for the map tool as well? Yes. But that's kind of in a different area. So this is probably should be called VSP entity CSS entity instead of just like that, but eh. Don't do that. Ah, oh. Should I just parse it in there? So what if I go like this and I go like, okay. Maybe that's fine. And then get out of here. And then that's it. It knows. Yay, it knows. Okay. So anything else? Whatever. Actually, we can print it. Well, eh. Okay, so then this GUI goes here. And then we already know. You already know. Okay. We can do like this. Yeah. Yeah. And that's like this. Yep. Why are there so many freaking tabs? Okay. Okay, so if the CSS entity fails to parse, then like something is wrong because like it's supposed to succeed, you know, because it like literally tested all cases and created Codegen that would always succeed given the same set of BSP files is the plan. But I haven't tested it yet because I needed to do this fork thing and yada, 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 yada. Okay, so let's see if I can like change this in the map tool. Oh, map tool, map. It's probably going to bust. It didn't. Okay, this actually, I think this makes it way smaller. Yeah. Okay. Use VBSP fork. XD. Yes. XD. Yes. Okay, so then I can move these comments up or move this one down. Move comment down. I think I'll squash and then separate. Let's do it. Okay, so first we want to use VBSP fork. Oh, but you kind of need to do that all at once. Okay. Never mind. Sick. There we go. Why? Why is it trolling me about that? Like I did it right here. Okay. So this should actually compile. So this gen entities thing is what I was doing here, but like it's a huge mess. So I'm probably just gonna delete it. So these are probably they don't work very well for any other maps than Arcane. This one is like maybe okay. Woo. Okay, well I've figured out some stuff. Sick. Let me make myself clear. Such a clean change. Just like 2 lines of code change, boom, everything supported. Everything fixed. So good. Happy, 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 happy. Let's go. Wait. Committed to this repository. What? Did you do something? Bro's writing Nextcloud. MPV auto sub. These is like doing stuff. All these folks. He's moved on to other stuff. He's not doing VBSP anymore. Let him cook. Holy. Boy. I want my sussy tips. I knew this would happen. I think I can skip. Sick. Sick. All right. Yeah, so this was all like willy-nilly because I needed a fork. And so I wanted to like put in some work and like figure out some entities so that I could then play around with it in a like meaningful way. Yeah. So that's good. So now I think I will do this. Boom. And then I will do this. And then we can also include the sussy tips. But then the other guys, entities, golly jolly. That stuff I can just delete because like that was just playing around with stuff, and that code was moved to elsewhere. Move it to its own project. So I'm just gonna delete it because it's a huge mess. But I have to be careful not to delete the BVH editor. What is this? Oh, this is just a goob. Okay. Yeah, no, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so then now it's just BVH editor. Oh, it's so much cleaner. Okay. I have a straight line comment history now. Okay. I have cleaned up my mess from last week. And yeah, last week. It'd be nice to have this. Right, I didn't finish it. Yeah. BVH editor. Maybe I'll leave that branch and then rebase it after. Okay, so this should work. This should just work. So I should be able to go like, hey, build it, build it, build it, build it, and then I should be able to run it. Run it, run it, run it. And we can do that map. Why? Aye. Oof. Rip the stream. I don't like that. I'm just not going to listen to that. Did you see what happened? So I spawned at the spawn. Oh, spawn at the spawn. Right. So now that I've got a bunch of entities, they're like certainly not correct, but like whatever. I can just sort of deal with it. Oh, I forgot. You can't do that. There's no triggers. I was just gonna hit the trigger. So yeah, I guess that's the next. Oh yeah, the next play is to use my work, even though it's kind of like tentative work in progress sort of stuff. It's a complete codegen of everything observed in all the maps. So it should at least parse. It should at least like work. And so I can like, what I want to do, what's my plan for next week? What I want to do is fix up the ray tracing that I made, the BVH iteration, and then make a thing that prints out what I'm looking at, the entity properties of what I'm looking at. It says you are looking at XYZ. These are the properties. And so every time I look at something different, ideally it would highlight it on screen and then print out the entity properties. And then that would inform me of what the hell is happening. Because that's basically the problem is everything is opaque right now, but I have the data. So I need to interpret the data, and I'm going to write tools to do that. I hope I can write a like outline thing. That'd be pretty cool to like draw a wireframe of the entity. Well, that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, so that's what I want to do next week is fix up the ray tracing. Beep. And then can you touch this? Oh my god. It just works. That's crazy. Except it doesn't work. Right. Actually the generated the thingy doesn't work either. Or it doesn't work completely. I have to fix the faces to planes algorithm. Oh. Okay, well, I've done exactly what I wanted to do today. Let's see, is there anything else? It'd be cool to like recognize triggers, but like, wait, can I touch this one? I can. I want to try that. Cool. The plane thing works more often than it does not. Nah. It's so cool. It works pretty well. Okay, these really. It works pretty well. It's crazy. Cause like it's the very first attempt to make any physics at all. Uh-oh. Orbiters. Why did I think that? Interesting. Oh. Touch. So cool. Works pretty well. Especially for a version 1. Triggers. So the arcane trigger bug where like you step on the trigger and it takes like a full second to respawn. That's just the source engine? Because like if I can if it's not anything weird and like triggers aren't like some sort of scripting, then I should be able to just translate it into like dedicated game code instead of like weird entities and stuff, and like have zero problems. Like even if it is weird scripting stuff, I can just like have stuff that like reads scripts and like, oh, that looks like a XYZ script, and then if it matches that pattern matches that pattern exactly, then it can like do it and like implement that behavior. Like there's I have the data, so like anything is possible. It's so excellent. I have the data. I have the power. Nah. Wait, the other thing is right there? It's not right there on the Roblox version. Oh, miss. Can you jump on top? Hold on. It looks like I can jump on top of it. Haha, Roblox settings moment. I tried to use source settings, but like it's bugged for some reason. I'll have to figure that out. It's not supposed to do that. You just go straight through. So I've been streaming for 4 hours. Okay. That is not as long as usual. I got a lot done in a very short time. Oh, that didn't boost me. I'm used to the boost. Used to the boost. Da. Feeling good. Oh, did very well. Oh. Squidward, always with me. Is Squidward with you in the room right now? Man, it sure would be nice if other people chipped in to like the VBSP stuff. It's open source. Rackpier was saying that they had code. Wonder if they'll just like switch to my code instead. But like pull requests on the Codegen, welcome. If you can think of a way to make it generate less sucky code. No. Let me in. Aw, gee. Oh my god. Come on, you gotta hit it. Oh. I really like the sharp hitbox. I remember when I wrote Roblox B-Hop originally, I made the hitbox spherical because... What was that? Because it was mathematically the simplest to do. And I was like, bruh, I don't want to write a bunch of math for the cylindrical hitbox. I thought that the source engine hitbox was a cylinder, but it's actually a something else. It is a box. Wow. And that has an effect on the way that the physics work as well, of course. I was surprised to learn that it was not a cylinder. But I wrote it as a sphere, and I liked the way that it was lenient. Where like if let's say that this is the spherical hitbox. Why? And then this is a platform you're jumping on. If you come in and you're coming down and you hit it like this, it just goes and then you're a sphere, you just go. But if you are sharp, square, and you just barely hit the front, you go and then you fall down. And I was like, it's lenient. But instead, what ended up happening was you hit the front and you go boom, and you get a huge edge bug boost thing, and it kind of ruins the whole game. So when I rewrote the game as a cylinder with new physics technology, I was like, yes, I can fix it. But then there was problems with walking on surfaces because even if there was two objects that were flush, you could like hit the front of the other one, even though like you shouldn't be able to do that. So I ended up rounding the corners of the cylinder just minorly, And like that was still a mistake because you can still like you can still hit that tiny rounding and bounce off of it. So now no rounding, everything perfectly square. Smash your toes into the tiniest bump. I've learned my lesson. No more of that. Where was I going with this? I think I was trying to tell that story in the first place. I just wanted to tell the story. I don't know what else to do. I thought that what I was doing would take longer. Yeah, I want to do the BVH stuff on Monday. Yeah. I did the work. I did what I wanted to do. I hope my pull requests get reviewed. The review is my favorite part. The merging is like cool, it's upstream, but like review, that's the fun part. All right. I'm out of gas. I'm going to go eat like chicken pot pie or something. Goodbye, everyone. See you on Monday. BV.